Good morning and welcome to your market update for Thursday, May 7th, 2026. The mood on Wall Street today is mixed. Tech is surging, but the Dow is dragging its feet. Let's break it all down. Starting with the major indices. The S&P 500 is up 0.2%, sitting at 735.33. The Nasdaq is the clear leader this morning, climbing over 0.5% to 699.72. Tech bulls are clearly in control on that side, but the Dow Jones is slipping, down 14 basis points to 498.35. So we've got a split tape today, folks. Now let's talk about the Magnificent Seven, because that's where the real action is. Tesla is leading the charge, up over 3% to $410.73. That is a strong move for TSLA. Microsoft is right behind it, gaining 2.75% to trade at $425.36. Nvidia continues to impress, climbing 2.68% to $213.41. Meta is up 1.34%, trading at $621.09. And Apple rounds out the top 5 with a solid gain of 0.82% at $289.87. All green across the board for big tech today. Let's pivot to commodities. Silver is absolutely flying this morning, up 4.5% to $73.31. That is a massive move for silver. Gold is also catching a bid, rising just under 1% to $435.09. Oil, however, is telling a very different story. WTI crude is tumbling nearly 3% to $129.98 a barrel. That drop is tied to reports of progress on an Iran deal, which could mean more supply hitting the market. Over in crypto, it's a red day. Bitcoin is down 1.87%, pulling back to just under $80,000. Ethereum is falling even harder, dropping 2.66% to $2,296.35. Not a great morning for digital assets. Forex data is unavailable this session, so we'll skip that and jump straight to the headlines. Here's what's driving the conversation. CNBC reports the Dow rose 500 points as oil retreated on Iran deal progress. AMD also jumped after posting strong earnings results. Seeking Alpha highlights big movers today, including Uber, AMD, Disney, and Super Micro Computer. And this one's a standout. Investors Business Daily reports Disney stock is surging on an earnings beat. Streaming profits are booming for the House of Mouse. So to recap, tech is leading, oil is sinking, silver is popping, and crypto is cooling off. It's a classic rotation day where money is flowing into different corners of the market. Keep an eye on oil prices as those Iran deal headlines develop further. Watch Disney and AMD for follow-through after their strong earnings reports. And with Bitcoin hovering right at that $80,000 level, that's a key psychological zone to monitor. That's your morning market update. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow.